Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows some ultrasound findings in inguinal hernia. You can see the scanning of the testes as this is an inguinal hernia. A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue called fascia. The most common types of hernia are inguinal hernia, incisional, femoral, umbilical, and hiatal. An inguinal hernia occurs when tissue such as part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal muscles. The resulting bulge can be painful, especially when you cough, bend over, or lift a heavy object. You can see the left testes, and it is almost echomechonormal. Blood flow is also normal, but a minimum amount of free fluid is seen. Fluid is seen in the small hydrocele. Ultrasound is a non-invasive, non-ionizing radiation modality which is highly successful at soft tissue imaging. Groin pain from an occult hernia can be difficult clinical diagnosis, made easier by good imaging by optimizing the image using depth, focus, and gain. Now you can see the right testes. It looks echomechonormal. The testes has normal blood flow, but you will see a hydrocele, pyocele is a small amount of fluid around the testes. This is right testes. Now, what are the ultrasound findings in the inguinal hernia? There are 4 findings. Number 1 is herniated gut loops along with some fluid collection at inguinal region. You will see later on in this video the gut loops, herniated gut loops with some fluid collection at inguinal region. Now you can see the fluid. The fluid is thick and turbid, so it is pyocele. This is the first finding, herniated gut loops along with some fluid collection at inguinal region. Second is the testes and epididymis pulled up with herniated contents. Number 3 is hydrocele on the respective involved side, and number 4 is the normal testes on the unaffected side. As you have seen in this video, the left testes is echomechonormal. Now you are going to see the right testes, and herniated gut loops are visible along with some fluid. These are the herniated gut loops in the right testes, and this is the fluid. You can see the pyocele, hydrocele, and the gut loops. Then the testes and epididymis are pulled up with herniated contents, and there is hydrocele in the respective involved right side, and normal testes were seen on the left side. A bulge in the groin area is visible because standing and coughing can make a hernia more prominent. You will likely be asked to stand up and cough or strain. If the diagnosis is not readily apparent, your doctor may order an imaging test such as an abdominal ultrasound, CT scan, or MRI. Examination of an adult for inguinal hernia is best performed from the seated position with the patient standing. The inguinal canal areas for the bulge are visualized, a provocative cuff may be necessary to expose the hernia. The cuff is repeated. As the cuff is repeated, the examiner invaginates the scrotum and feels for an impulse. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.